Hi, we'd like to introduce to you the new MK7 with the new color that we released this year at the Surfaces show. I'd like to show you guys a few features around the machine first. So here we've got our laser sensors that we've switched from the tape switches. As you can tell, the green light is turned on, which means the sensors are lined up correctly. If they aren't lined up correctly or the beam gets interrupted, the orange light will turn on. We also have another video on YouTube that shows you how to install them properly. We've also changed the color on the lifting bars just to make them more visible, as well as add a bend here so that you can't step on the actual sensor. We'll just walk around the machine and I'll show you the sensors on the other side. They work exactly the same way. Another one there, as well as two lifting bars on this side as well. And you'll notice on the back sensor there's only one red light, and that's normal. Now I'll show you some of the features on the touch panel. This is all Siemens, as well as the switches. So to enter, you just go enter. You can press the key or the screen to enter. And right now we're in the operator screen, on the cut screen. When you turn on your machine, you'll want to reset your counter, input a length. So let's say right now we just want to do 10 feet, 2 inches. We'll select our material type. There's 3 pre-programmed materials, and there's also the option of inputting your own. I think there's 17 of your own materials. So once you've input a length, pick your carpet, reset your counter, then now you'll have access to the machine. To use the shuttle, you need to have a left roller on a direction. And what the shuttle does is it helps orient the carpet in the cradle. If it's too far up, you can move it down. Square it up. And now I'll just show you how to roll it up quickly on this machine. So now I'm just trying to get the carpet to line up with the black lines right on the table here. So we're going to use that as our guide. So as you can tell, I'm not going to be worried too much about this edge because I don't know who cut the carpet, but I know this edge is going to be square. So I'm just going to get it square like that, up to the line. I'm going to drop my tensioner arm, reset my counter, pick my directions, so I'm going to go forward. Now I'm just going to start on medium speed right now. And once I get about here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to press this pneumatic button. It's going to help close the arm. Like that. and then it just goes by itself. Yeah, I'll keep working with it. And if you use the laser sensors, the machine will slow down and stop automatically on your preset. Just like that. And I'll demonstrate the cutter for you. So all you gotta do is pick a direction, and away it goes. And you can control both sides of the machine independently. And I'll just show you how to change the blade. So if you come over here, there's just these two screws you need to remove. And we use regular carpet slotted blades. So usually people have them around the shop. It's rolled up. I'm just going to show you the wrapping feature on the machine. So as you can tell, we were on the cut screen before, and now we'll go on the wrap. As you can tell, it's disabled. We'll go back in the settings, enable it, and then now whenever we break the beam, the machine will run continuously for about 30 seconds or until you break the beam again. Sugar up in there, break the beam. You can also set the machine up to the 3 speeds for this setting as well. Once you're done, break it again and it stops. Another new feature on the screen is if ever you have any problems with your machine, from the cut screen you can go into the settings and there's this troubleshooting. And once you're in here, if you ever have an issue, to get to the screen, it'll help you. That way you don't have to take any covers off or anything, and we'll help you go over things on the phone. So this way, if you go in the PLC, we'll see that these are our inputs and our outputs, so we can tell if we're getting a signal from our buttons. As you can tell, left roll is forward, the light will come on, off, jog button. So that way you know you can diagnose if the problem's somewhere along the switch or in the PLC, or you can also go into the VFD and it'll show you all the frequencies that it's running at, if it's running correctly, if there's a fault. And that's it. Thank you.